Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can reset almost any of the air conditioner remote control if it is not responding, if the display is frozen, or if it is not controlling your AC properly. So first of all, you need to check whether your remote has a small reset button. It is usually located inside the battery compartment or on the front, it will be in the bottom. So it is going to look something like this, and last or the bottom option will be available. As you can see, you are going to see this type of reset button. So basically it is going to look like a dot, and you need to use a pin or a paper clip in order to basically press this particular button. Now when you press and hold it for about 3 to 5 seconds, your remote is going to reset. Now if your remote doesn't have a reset button, you just have to simply remove the batteries and you need to leave the remote as it is for about 1 to 2 minutes. So this also going to completely basically reset the remote. In between, you can also just simply press the on or off button or the start or stop button or the power button, and you can hold it for about 10 seconds, and that's how basically you can reset any of the AC remotes that you want. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.